everybody, it's your homegirl Mir.I.am, K975, Carolina Ways radio host.
Hey.
Here with my homegirl Ebony Douglas Moe.
Don't forget the Moe, though.
Hey. With LeithCars.com
Traffic Jamz.
Hold up.
Man, let me tell you who we have in the building.
Oh,
Caliwood.
Hey, gang, gang.
Come on, gang,
Caliwood
gang.
Rassamon. You already know it's your girl, Caliwood, tuning in live with Traffic Jamz, Leith Cars, Mir.I.am, K97.5, Ebony. We here, we live, you know?
Do your own promo then.
Okay? Oh, yeah, definitely. Gotta do that.
That's what's up, Caliwood.
Yes.
First of all, I know it's going to be a little bit of a spoiler, but this track you have,
Yeah.
Homegirl, it's everything.
Yes.
When I
Thank
tell
you.
you, back in the G, when we used to go roller skating, it's one of those feel-good, roll, bounce joints.
Definitely.
absolutely. You know what? I can definitely see people roller skate too.
Mm-hmm.
Back
I don't
in the
do
day.
that, but
You don't roller skate? I got you.
I do a little
that
something,
was an
something.
accident back in 03, and we won't talk about that.
Okay.
Ain't no going back. Ain't no going back. Ain't no going back.
Okay.
So, tell us about yourself. Where are you from?
All right. Well, I was born in Maryland. I was raised in Delaware, and now I'm residing in North Carolina. I've been here about 4.5 years. I quit my job last year to really go for my dream and really do my music.
That's passion.
Yeah,
That's
you know, it's been a struggle, but you know, life is a struggle. So you know, I've been kicking life's butt. So I'm here now, chilling with y'all, and you know, I'm just blessed for every opportunity that's coming my way.
Okay, so Caliwood, tell us the name of the track that you're going to share with us today.
It's titled Dance, and you can follow that on all digital platforms.
Okay, now what's the premise behind Dance? What made you come up with Dance?
It's a concept of just positive vibes, something to give the culture that we can really do in unity, and start practicing those things, even if it just be by a line dance.
Okay, all right. So you gonna sing it for us?
Oh yeah, you already know I'm gonna tear it down. You know what I'm
How you
saying?
gonna tear it down?
You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do my thing, little slow thing.
All right, here we go.
There is no way to express my love for you then, yeah. Prancing around your loving, cause I can't stand 1, 2, 3, You give me a feeling, pitch me cause I must be dreaming. The way you love me so, my heart is overflowing. And if there's no one left but you, baby, I swear my life's complete, lady. No one can compare to you. So, yeah, I just wanna dance right now. Hey, give me the B-boy, give me the B-boy. Hey, yeah. And I just wanna dance right now. Give me the B-boy, give me the B-boy. Hey,
Hey.
come on.
How do you feel?
I love it. It's so
Really?
smooth.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So like, is it like 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive?
That's an excellent question that I don't have an answer for you for.
Well, okay. No,
this
no,
one
it's
is,
okay.
No, this one is a 2-wheel drive.
Okay.
It is a 2.0 liter engine, turbo
okay.
4. So you get decent horsepower for this size vehicle. German engineered front to back. You got LeBron James leg room back here. Okay?
Right. You really do.
Like you said, it's a smooth ride. You're gliding. There's 17s on this one. You can get 18s. There are 2 trims. This is a 2019 Volkswagen Passat, and this particular trim is the R-Line. But you can get 2 trims. You can get the R-Line or you can get the Wolfsburg. And the R-Line is just the more sporty version. Wow. So you got the R-Line grill on the front of the car. You got the R-Line steering wheel.
Yeah, I
And
like this.
everything in this car. You got the synthetic leather. You got this cold, crisp navigation right here.
Touchscreen.
Right. You
Exactly.
mentioned we're playing your music on the USB.
Exactly, a USB port.
Okay.
That's amazing.
And you can control everything on the USB, touch screen.
Right.
You know, we were messing with the track a little bit, and we could do it touch screen. That's nice. But you also have Android Auto. You've got Apple CarPlay, all the stuff that comes standard in vehicles now. Bluetooth, dual climate zone. I mean, 8 cup holders. You
Right,
know,
okay.
people don't think about cup holders until it's time to be
Right.
used.
Okay.
But you got 8 of them suckers in here. I just wanna dance right now.
Hey.
Give me the big boy.
Give me the B-boy. Hey.
That is a workout, Caliwood.
Oh, indeed it
Zumba
is.
playlist.
Such a good song.
Absolutely.
That's one of them songs you hit 95, windows down,
Cruising.
sunroof open.
Yes.
Going 80.
Absolutely. Now, Caliwood, tell everybody where they can get the single, where they can follow you, get your music, all that good stuff.
Definitely. You can follow me at Caliwood Rassamon if you get that on my shirt right there. Everywhere. Digital streaming platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Google me. Indeed. Caliwood Rassamon. Follow me everywhere. I love y'all.
Caliwood, thank you so much for rolling with us. This was so fun.
Definitely. Yeah, give me a hug. Give me a
Oh
hug.
my
Much
God,
love. Much love.
thank you.
Thank you, Mir.
And of course, the inevitable Mir.I.am and your girl, Ebony Douglas Moe. This has been another episode of LeithCars.com Traffic Jamz.
Give me the B-boy, give me the B-boy. Now if it's cool, let me school you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't be fooled by the jewels of fools who came and gone.